up, but they haven't caused major damage. This storm, however, I believe this single cell that produced this tornado produced 2 other tornadoes that nearly hit KOX, because KOX right now is 9 minutes and 55 seconds behind, so it could have actually gotten hit.
Typically, I'd put
by a tornado, so, but I'm not too sure.
I'd put the kind of thing like the SPC outlook in the description, but that's not what I'm putting right now. I'm putting tornado emergency text in here. Luckily,
Yeah, like there are actual people.
Luckily, this is being tagged
10 minutes behind, K is dead. Like, it literally, I actually gotten hit. The thing that sucks about it, however, is that there is not a single other station near here. And I'm afraid to use KOEX because I'm afraid it's also been hit. But I guess I'm gonna have to do what I gotta do.
I'm just looking
Does
at
someone
this.
move back?
It's
oh yeah, no,
wild.
KUEX is also there. All of these here are dead. I'm gonna have to switch to a Des Moines station.
Are you not using KOAX?
KOAX is dead.
It's not dead.
It's 11.
It's still updating for me. You might have to refresh your page or something.
They're all 11 minutes and 25 seconds behind for me.
Refresh your page. This looks, but I will try to update you with more radar. That looks disgusting. That looks terrifying.
Yeah, that mood. I feel too bad for the people. This storm.
Yeah, I mean.
Alright, switch over to KOAX. Let's go. See if it'll work.
Just, people make jokes about tornadoes and things like that, but this is just not a time.
Especially during tornado season.
This just isn't the time for that right now. I mean, this is different. This is a different experience.
This isn't like a radar indicated, like,
yeah, this is
rotation, which is still bad. Observe
this
like
little threshold
actual tornado.
The MDA icon that shows the rotation thresholds has gone down, which is a good sign, but it still looks dangerous on radar.
Yeah,
it is moving out of heavily populated areas. It's still going through Blair and northern Omaha, but other than that, it's starting to move out of a very populated area, which is Omaha, Nebraska. And
thank God that it didn't hit Omaha. Like, it didn't get a direct hit on Omaha. Radar did refresh now. There isn't any pink in the radar in the observed rotation spot, which is good. My base velocity here still will not load because attic radar is stupid sometimes.
The thing is in the way. But that little thing right there is a tornado emergency. GR Earth didn't update me, I don't believe. Yeah, I didn't get
You know what's bad?
Earth. I might have to add that really quick. What?
You know what sucks about this?
Sure.
It's that this thing, attic radar, doesn't go up to tornado emergency. The highest that it can go is tornado warning.
Yeah, I don't think it'll log tornado emergencies, but I do have a national tornado warning monitor running now in our background, so you can hear that. The MDA icon for the threshold for the velocity is going down once again, so this tornado seems to possibly be dissipating as we speak, which is a really good thing.
Would be very good, yes.
Definitely. I'll look again at this volume.
Tornado warning for western Harrison County in southwestern Iowa.
Oh, that's in.
I think my radar's. I think attic radar's having a stroke right now.
Yeah, because
I'm looking at this. Yeah. Looking at the cell, I am looking at the warning, like the warned area, and I see the hook and rotation and stuff. But static radar says that there is a cell and then another cell that are the exact same cell in two different spots. I'm pretty sure it's having a like actual stroke. But yeah, I
Oh,
am
tornado warning update.
okay. Finally, Jesus Christ. Finally,
Uh,
my thing got working,
okay,
and
this is a PDS
yeah,
one.
it
So this is not okay. Listen, National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for western Harrison County in southeastern Iowa. This is the same storm that prompted the large and destructive tornado warning of a tornado emergency for Omaha. This is just a PDS one now, as it has moved out of a populated area. However, this one says
good.
large and extremely dangerous rather than large and destructive. I think large and extremely dangerous is the highest you can have.
This might be like more levels of bad.
I would not go to that yet, and I do not think we should be rating tornadoes like that. Oh.
Tornado warning for
Update.
southern Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, western Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Pawnee County in southeastern
This is just
Nebraska.
a massive tornado warning. Yeah, this is the new one that just got issued. This is a massive tornado warning. Jeez, these tornado warnings are getting big. I mean, this is such an event that's going on right now, and I'm not going to say April
That is a
27th,
ginormous
2011
tornado warning.
kind of events, but I mean, it is the time that it's happening, and tomorrow there's another enhanced risk, and we're going to have to keep our eyes open. Tomorrow's Saturday, so it's going to be pretty cool.
Great.
And we're going to be able to be here and actually see it. But
oh yeah, we're actually gonna be here. Well, I am going over to my grandparents' house, but I'm bringing my computer and all my other stuff with me, so I can still do some forecasting. It would actually be like a genuine
Tornado warning
tragedy
for
if this storm somehow
northwestern
changed
Colfax
direction
County
and
in
went
northeastern
directly east
Nebraska,
towards Missouri
northeastern Platte
Valley, which
County in
it would
northeastern
most likely
Nebraska,
level the entire
southern
town, which would
Stanton
be an
County in
actual
northeastern
tragedy. It would
Nebraska.
be horrific. Thank God that it is moving northeast, though,
tornado.
which I believe that there are some small cities in the way, like
Yeah,
Magnolia and Echo, which is
and
right
there's
on the storm
still
track line,
population, and it's really bad, and you have to keep these people
in
in your thoughts.
Modale.
But I'm not predicting it now. There is probably deaths. I mean, seriously, and it's sad. It
Yeah,
really is.
there would have to be a death toll by
It's
now,
looking to
which I really hate
see.
to think.
I hate to add light in a situation like this, but I do want to say that Sac City may be impacted by this. Sac City in Iowa. So make sure if you're in Sac City, you're protected. What a name. Magnolia in Iowa and Modale in Iowa.
Yeah, I'm and I'd like to say Modale is right
Oh
on
my god.
the line between
This is from Kyle Dodds, the
Iowa
video I'm
and
about to show you. Hold on. I need to interrupt, and I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is very important. This video is from Kyle Dodds. I'm going to put it up on stream right now. This is, James Pettis posted this on Twitter, but this is from Kyle Dodds on Twitter.
Tornado warning for southwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Sarpy
I've
County
never
in east
actually seen
central
a tornado
Nebraska,
emergency
eastern
before on
Douglas
radar.
County in east central Nebraska,
Like
north
literally.
central Cass County in southeastern Nebraska.
During a Saturday, and it was like 8 p.m., and you missed it. Okay, here is the video. Go to
I
my
was
stream if you want to see it. This is recorded by
going to it
a
right
Kyle
now.
Dodds. This is horrible.
This is horrific.
Absolutely horrible. Just outside Bennington, Nebraska. This is a massive, wide, insane. I can't even articulate. It's really something.
This is genuinely terrible.
And we've already talked about this. This is a 16:30 for Saturday tomorrow, and it's looking even worse than today's model ones are. And
Oh my god!
I almost want to. Yeah, do you see the
God,
video?
wait, okay, I'm watching your stream. Is that tornado?
That's a tornado.
Well, that's actually
You
a stupid
genuinely, I
question.
just
Of
want to
course, that's
cry
the
right now. That
tornado.
is horrible.
But oh my god, that is huge.
I mean,
Yeah, I like actually feel bad for the
like genuinely, I'm
people
almost
in
moved
Nebraska.
to tears by this video because it's just a town,
This looks
and there's so many
terrible.
livelihoods. There's so many livelihoods and people who live here,
Oh my
and it's just
god.
I want to cry because this is
It's
horrible.
horrific. It's horrific to see. It's just horrific.
As you
But
know, I mean, I think you can tell by now if you're in the Omaha area, you have to get out of there. Absolutely have to get out of there. Not, I can't even, I'm
I
saying get out
feel
of there, and
just
I'm
terrible
wrong.
for all of the
You
people
can't
in
get
this
out of there.
town.
You just have to
Oh my god.
stay safe. For the love of God, it is horrific what is happening right now. I'm going to send a picture. This was sent 26
Please.
minutes ago from Omaha, and I'm going to send this to you
Oh my god.
right now, and this is horrible. Horrible. I'm sending it to you right now. I mean, today's going to be...
Tornado
That is
warning for
so horrific.
northeastern Wilson County in southeastern Kansas, northwestern Neosho County in southeastern Kansas, southwestern Allen County in southeastern Kansas.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Oh my. Oh my god, that looks that is horrific. Oh my god. Feel sad right now.
I mean, I hate to pre-rate tornadoes and talk about stuff like this. And by the way, the tornado emergency has expired, meaning they're no longer under tornado emergency. But there is still a particularly dangerous situation tornado right now. But the other thing is, this so reminds me of more. The width of the
Oh my
thing,
god.
the size of it, the way it grew so heavily and impacted a suburb of a major city. It's such a it's so much like
It's
more,
it's
and I think it's obvious. I mean, more is of course, a suburb of Oklahoma City. It's part of the metro. So is Blair,
this is so
and it's just hard to look at radar right now and see all these tornado warnings and all these even confirmed reported tornado warnings. There's another one over in Creston in Nebraska. And just think about all these people that have been impacted. There is another storm, which is a tornado warning that is headed right for the Omaha metro area right now. I'm going to keep a very heavy eye on this one, as it looks to have some rotation associated with it as well. This is heading towards the Omaha metro area, but I do not think this will spawn a tornado. If it does, that would be really, really bad. But other than that, and I don't see this spawning a tornado because of all of the, mesocyclones that are coming in and forging together here. But it had this, if this does,
unimaginably bad.
this could actually form a tornado that goes just, like, into the Omaha metro almost. I'm gonna keep a very heavy eye on this storm in Cedar Creek right now, because it's looking really bad.
That would be
Yeah, as of 45 minutes ago, they were recording a video for the
just horrible.
news, and geez, very large wedge tornado. Incredibly rapid rotation. I mean, this thing sounds horrible, horrible, horrible.
Sounds actually horrific.
Here is the video from, this is from Vince Realty, I think is his name. I apologize if I'm wrongly pronouncing it, but there is a, I sent you a Twitter photo. I know you don't have Twitter, but you can see the photo at least on Discord, and it's just this massive thing. just on the ground. It so reminds me of more.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, that is humongous. Yeah, it really, it's just more all over again. I'm looking at it now. It does look to down slightly as it was. It is about to impact. It is unimaginably close to impacting Madale, and this is 200. This is 2 minutes 25 seconds behind, so it must have already went by Madale. But
I mean,
this
all that's
is this
trending on
is
Twitter
so
right
terrible.
now is tornado emergency, take cover now, blah blah blah. This is disgusting. It's horrible.
Yeah, this is horrific. I sincerely hope that everybody in Madale is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, it's so terrible. Like the worst thing, genuinely.
According to one of my old friends from a weather Discord server, uh, Sammy Maggio, he's from up in New York. He does a lot of forecasting. Do you remember the GIF I sent you that one time? That GIF that said,
Um,
hold on, I'll send it to you. It's one of the first GIFs I ever favorited. I don't know if I still have it favorited. I hope so.
sent me NWS tornado emergency.
No, hold on. I'll send it to you in a second. Yeah, I sent that to you just a second ago. I'm gonna try to send you the GIF I'm talking about. This, yes, dude. He always does this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Seriously.
I've seen that before. Yes.
Yeah, he's always on his way to
Yeah,
reply
but
to a tornado warning with a radar image. But seriously, Sammy did report that this tornado is about to hit a nuclear power plant. There's a
Tornado
warning coming.
warning for southwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa,
is there a
southeastern
movie
Burt
about
County
this?
in east
There
central
is
Nebraska, central Washington County in east central
a movie about
Nebraska.
this. It's called
What?
It was very mid, but it was
Hold on, your mic's cutting out. What is it? What are you talking
based
about?
in Tennessee. It was just really crappy television movie called Upster out like a tornado that hit a nuclear power plant and everybody died. That was just
Tornado warning.
like this really crappy television. I think Thunder, and it was about a tornado that's exactly like this, like a just wedge in a nuclear plant, and
Oh
apparently
my
everyone in
god.
that movie. But I
Don't tell
seriously hope
me.
that happened.
A tornado warning was just issued. I sincerely hope. Yeah, it's a radar indicated, but I sincerely hope this one does not touch the ground, because it is in literally the exact same area that the last tornado just went through, and the last tornado was
God,
giant
is there
and
another
destructive
one?
and dangerous, and it looks like it doesn't seem to be on the ground, but it could be. I mean, it could be coming on the ground. I don't know.
Previous tornado, it looks like the hook on the tornado that we are currently observing that just passed over Madale. It does look like it directly impacted Madale.
See how it wraps around. That's why we wouldn't. That's why you can't see tornadoes like this from the south side. You would not be able to see this right here that we're directly under. You would not see that. And then you have your clear slot right back here.
I see it. 1058.
I'm gonna go over to Adam's
I'm
gonna have to mute this because this is
I'm
really
looking at it.
loud. But oh my, oh my! I mean, this thing's still going heavy, strong.
Christ. Yeah, I have muted. Is
And it's,
he heading towards?
I don't know. I'm watching Bryce Shelton, who seems to be headed towards
This is
or close
some.
to towards the tornado, and
This is actually.
I'm gonna watch over Jack Miller, who is in Western Blair. Oh my gosh, there are trees down and like various things. I think this guy Jack Miller is here to help. I think he's doing help operations. He's just west or east of Blair, southeast of Blair. Anyway, the National Weather Service has
Yeah,
one
I
tornado reported,
can
and this is in
see.
western Harrison County in southwestern Iowa. So this is the tornado that was previously warned. It's not looking really strong anymore. This hook is starting to phase out, but hopefully this tornado is going to lift anytime soon. Another tornado report. Okay, good. Another tornado report came in 3 minutes ago. Tornado near Modale. Looks like it roped out. So I believe the tornado that was in effect, the tornado that hit Blair, nearly hit, and did hit western parts of the Omaha metro area, has now roped out and is possibly no longer on the ground, according to a train spotter report, Sky1 spotter report. So that is really
Be
good.
very that is very good because if it were to stay on for a few more minutes, it
That,
most likely would have impacted like multiple towns
yeah.
just everywhere. There's a lot of small town in Nebraska that would
One
have
of the
absolutely. I'm very
yeah.
glad that it's beginning to.
One of the major hazards about today's risk is the insane amount of hail. And I mean, you can look at this hail signature right now. Hold on, let me go to. Yeah,
This amount of hail.
I just use base reflectivity. It is an insane amount of pink, and this is headed. And this is headed right
Oh yeah,
for.
Cohen, you know this, but that of the giant tornado that it wore is on your still your radar and stuff.
Oh, the thing over it. It's still over it. When I did I forget to remove it?
Yeah, the it still has the giant wedge.
Alright, but yeah, that is a pretty good video too. But yeah, that is seriously scary and just disturbing. I sent you an image. That is a. I think that's what the storm track's looking like. But this is
Utterly horrifying.
this is what appears to be giant hail core, a massive, super dangerous hail core about to move into the Omaha metro.
This is
I mean, this looks scary. Like if you're in the Omaha metro and
49
you're in this kind of hail,
tornadoes reported over the past 48 hours. So that's just for today.
and yesterday.
This is a gigantic, like this is a super outbreak. Because right now, just as I'm looking on this map of central, there are about 6 tornadoes reported.
Yeah.
16 right next to a major city, and there's multiple beneath it. Lincoln. This is actually terrible. I genuinely hate to say this, but everyone in Nebraska is dead.
It's true. Everyone in Nebraska actually is dead. Now that it's over, though, I really hope the people are okay.
To say, don't get me wrong, actually, like, horrible thing to say. When actual people there are actually dying, but yeah, everyone's good. It appears on R, which is in 2079, because Chromebooks are horrible computers. Don't ever buy one. It does appear that the book has slowly begun to straighten out, and I don't see very much rotation on it. Impacted, like, suburban, like, metro of Omaha, and then hit Medale, and then it looks like right now, the moment it left Medale, it began
Tornado
to
warning
Tornado
for
warning coming through.
dissipate.
southeastern Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, north central Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska.
This is in southeastern Nebraska.
This cell is terrible.
This is officially from an hour ago now.
Southeastern, that's likely.
Hold on, I'll send that photo to you. This is officially from 1 hour ago.
Radar indicated. Radar indicated. Oh, good. Good. Okay. There is
Dude, look at this hail cell.
hooked
If you're
on.
watching on the stream.
It's just a storm line, which is good, but it could possibly. Holy crap!
That is.
I'm looking at that. You just Jesus Christ.
Yeah. And it was. Dude, I'm still processing the tornado emergency. It's wild.
Still trying to probably lie danger and possibly dead. Like horror. This is horrific. Genuine.
Middle and softball size hail.
What the, oh, new alert just got issued.
National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for Sarpy County, northeastern Lancaster County, and southeastern Nebraska, western Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, northwestern Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 3 miles west of Greenwood or 13 miles.
This is a confirmed tornado from that time, so this might be it, perhaps.
3 miles per hour. Expected hazard. Issued a tornado warning for north central Lancaster.
It's a valid tone, by the way. Oh, this thing keeps adding another alert. Required weekly. I don't care. Has to be horrifying if you're in Blair right now. I mean, NWS Omaha just has to be busy right now.
I don't even have your audio. I don't even have audio on your stream turned on.
I should have desktop audio turned on. It is.
Oh yeah.
This hail looks damaging, though. I mean, sincerely damaging.
Just noticed that. Can you hear me okay?
I can.
Like, can you hear me all right?
Yeah, I can. Yes.
It's doing that stupid thing again where it's like delayed on my audio for like 5 seconds because, again, phone computers are crap.
That's pretty stupid.
We got that hook dissipated and kind of broke off from this central like cell. Now it just kind of looks like just some rain. Just nice. Good to know. Good to know.
It's from 41 minutes ago. From NWS Omaha. Can't even read it. I love Discord. Yeah, apparently the tornado emergency was originally issued. I'm not even sure how long ago. Yeah, tornado emergency was issued exactly just about 1 hour ago. That's horrible. Total population in the warning was at least 200 to 300,000 people.
Would you say the population is now?
I don't know. Probably
I mean,
lower.
I'd sincerely hope that it's still 200 to 300,000 people. It'd be crappy if somebody died in this horrific storm.
That sounds horrible.
Tornado warning for Central Van Zandt County in north central Texas.
Okay. This is terrible.
This
The
is from Elkhorn. This is from Justin
big
Jacobson from in
tornado
Elkhorn earlier.
off of the ground.
Now they did run a poll earlier.
Oh my god. Terrible looking.
And,
Yeah,
it
I
was
genuinely.
this. And the things, and this is the first tornado emergency of the season was issued today. And I'm sure there are more to come, but that was really interesting. Let me tell you, tomorrow, setup even looks worse than today, and today was already horrible. Tomorrow, there could be a damaging tornado that
Today, terrifying. 49 reported tornadoes. Multiple of them are reported by
today was bad.
Spotters.
And
But
the enhanced
couple
is
of them
massive for tomorrow. Or the enhanced
checking
is
out the
massive for
SPC.
today. But tomorrow the enhanced has a lot of people in it, like 9 million people in it. The enhanced for tomorrow means there could be a damaging tornado that could impact Oklahoma City like we've seen in previous years. Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, God forbid, Omaha again. You know, and it's gonna
Did you
be...
just say Dallas, Oklahoma?
I said Tulsa, Oklahoma. Anyway, it's possible that if there's
well, at least I know what the delay is.
It's possible that if there's not morning convection tomorrow, people are saying it would be possible for an 11:30 a.m. high risk to be issued. People actually believe that could happen.
Oh, that'd just be fucking great, wouldn't it be, laddie?
No, it definitely wouldn't be.
Being sorry.
And I do want to go back to...
Okay. Also, you're
I don't know if it's gonna be possible.
you're
I wish I could
still
my first radar run. Okay, yeah, I can still view the first radar run.
the line underneath it still says Blair.
And I could use this as my color table. Yeah, that's wild. And this is back from earlier. I'm looking at the tornado again. And this is, you know, before it gets to Blair. So this is before it gets really bad. Let's go to what's probably its worst point. I mean, this was a horrible tornado, definitely. But yeah, I'll try to.
I wasn't keeping track, but I think this tornado's been on the core, or what I should say, sorry.
Now this was really bad. This was a massive debris ball signature right here. And this was as it got past Bennington and Washington. As it started to enter Blair, this thing got
Computer is about
stuck.
to die in about 12 minutes, so if I disconnect in 12 minutes, you know why.
Yeah, okay. This thing genuinely, though, as it started to enter west of Blair, it looked disgusting.
It's terrible.
I mean, horrible, horrible tornado entered Blair earlier, and that is just
actually horrible.
absolutely wild. I'm sure there's at least a massive hail. I mean, this says 2.75-inch hail possible.
Oh, that's
And that's going through, and that's going
that's
through,
bad.
Omaha. Like, Metroplex Omaha. Like, Central Metroplex Omaha. 2.75 is, I believe, baseball.
Tornado
Yeah.
warning for southeastern Allen County in southeastern
2.7
Southeastern
Kansas.
Kansas.
is baseball. Yeah, that's baseball sized hail.
Yeah, so that could be falling right now in central Omaha, which is really bad, if I can say so myself.
Actual ball. Literal base being right.
And let's go back to this. Okay, we need to keep our eyes back on the tornado just west of Magnolia right now. That looks like it could definitely be on the ground again. Definitely possible. This is right here. Look at its base velocity signature. On the
Ooh, I
screen.
love base velocity because I can't use it. My stupid is mine.
What? I don't even know what you said. Goober.
I said my stupid computer's dumb. It's bad or something. I don't know.
Tornado warning for western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, south central
Anyways,
Harrison County in
Thor is
southwestern
about
Iowa, northern Sarpy County in east central Nebraska, southeastern Washington County in east central Nebraska, eastern Douglas County in east central Nebraska.
Looking bad. Starting to look bad again. And its hook echo kind of looks a bit odd. But starting to look bad again as it starts to get for Pig's Hook. Tornado for Pottawatomie County, Douglas County, Harrison County in Iowa.
I'd really love to know wind speeds of that previous tornado that tore through Blair and
I mean, maybe they. Hold on. Weather.gov.
Oh yeah, while you were talking, like when this whole thing started, my IEM bot went nuts.
Oh yeah,
It was like tornado warning, tornado emergency, confirmed tornado, tornado warning, and it would not shut up. It was going, it was like dinging every, yeah, it was dinging every like quarter of a second.
Tornado warning for eastern Monona County in west central Iowa, northwestern Harrison County in
50
southwestern Iowa.
tornado, new tornado at Medale.
Tornado warning for central
that
Fremont County in
was
southwestern
really,
Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Mills County in southwestern Iowa.
Okay, at 4:05 p.m. CDT, their house is damaged. Near the southwest to Road 89 is where when it was reported. That was most likely when it was ginormous. It looks like it did tear through a. There's like some few houses on Google Earth right now, mostly farmland that it ripped up, but I don't know the size of the sheer size of it. Probably a couple homes.
Yeah.
Just horrific to think about. Like,
Text data from issuance, and this is when it was tagged
My
large
computer-
and extremely dangerous
my
tornado.
computer is dying, so I will hopefully return. Probably not. So goodbye to everyone. I hope everyone in Nebraska is okay. Um, this is John Diss signing.
This is Jaundice signing up. Goodbye, Jaundice. 23. Yeah, this is the one I remember seeing, and this was the update 3. Catastrophic damage tag, and it's a tornado emergency. This is the one I remember seeing. It was update 3 for Blair, but that was also issued for Bennington. And,
Tornado warning for southeastern Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, central Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska.
that's wild. And if you're interested in weather, oh, here's the damage. Oh, wow.
Tornado warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, central Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa.
That is wild. That's bad damage. I don't want a pre-damage report because I feel like that's a dumb thing to do. But, you know, damage from just looking at the damage is starting to look like almost based on roofs and houses and siding and various things. This could be EF3, high-end EF3. But I am no expert, and I should not be, no. But yeah, I'm not an expert, so, no. Yeah, this is, like, bad, and if tomorrow's gonna mimic anything like it, I mean, that's gonna be even worse. It's gonna be much worse. Because we just witnessed the kind of tornado that would get, like, a, you know, Wikipedia page based on it. That's all I can say. Various tornado reported. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tornado was just reported. This is a TRR, and it's in the Omaha metro area. Oh my god. That's wild. Everyone, what you're looking at appears to be an incredibly decently sized tornado. I mean, I'm not totally sure exactly, but it appears to be, and I already predicted it earlier that this was going to happen. But what may be an actual large, dangerous tornado, and it's on the ground, I mean, it's dangerous, of course, that you just went through, like, almost formed over the Omaha Metroplex. A NWS employee reported a tornado.
Tornado warning for southeastern Monona County in west central Iowa, western Harrison County in southwestern Iowa.
An NWS employee reported a tornado in central Omaha. There is 2.59-inch hail just west of the Omaha Metroplex, which looks really bad because that's like almost baseball-sized hail, probably tennis ball, and what appears to be a damaging tornado that just went through the Omaha Metroplex. So that is not good at all. That is very bad news. The tornado earlier that prompted the tornado emergency still appears to be on the ground, just north of Pisgah. Omaha, jeez, man. What a day for Omaha. Died. This is wild. What a day.
Tornado warning for Bourbon County in southeastern Kansas.
Just a wild day for weather. Yeah, the main reason I was doing this live stream is for that tornado emergency, and definitely still keeping an eye on these storms. Definitely valuable to do so, and it looks like a damaging tornado just moved through the town of Crescent. Just northeast of Omaha, and things are weird. Yeah, what a wild day this has been, though. Still a tornado. Northeast of Crescent appeared to have formed over the Metroplex. Omaha. And the issue with KOAX, if we're being down, is the fact that there's literally no other tornado, or no other thing nearby. day.